5 seconds. Start. Away from the media's limelight, which remains almost completely riveted on the drama playing out in Islamabad, a wave of death and destruction continues to wash over Pakistan full stop. From the heights of the Himalayas to the shores of the Arabian Sea, floods triggered by heavy rainfall continue to wreak havoc, destroying livelihoods and sweeping away entire settlements, leaving death and misery in their work. Full stop. Paragraph. Climate change is no longer an abstract Tomazier's warning. The climate has changed and it has caught us completely unprepared. Full stop. The Pakistan Meteorological Department has said as much in reference to the 385% higher rainfall in Sindh and 371% higher rainfall in Balochistan so far this summer. Full stop. Paragraph. The unreasonably highly rainfall had been preceded by back to back heat waves into the two provinces, which created the conditions necessary for the disaster that later unfolded. Full stop. There are strong fears that the extreme weather patterns may become the new normal for Pakistan. Full stop. Paragraph. Every day seems to add to the death toll from this year's rains, with Balochistan seemingly the worst affected province. Full stop. It is unfortunate given the scale of destruction that is being faced that there seems to have been no effort so far to formally map the disaster struck areas of highlight the geographical zones which continues to face increased risk. Full stop. If such information has in fact been collated by an authority, it must be shared publicly so that the scale and nature of the disaster seen this summer can be studied for the future. Full stop. Paragraph. It also seems that disaster response is still being conducted on an ad hoc basis rather than under a strategy to preempt loss of life and livelihood. Full stop. This must change. Full stop. Apart from that, a massive effort will also need to be put into educating the citizenry at the community level about how they can adapt to the changing climate. Full stop. Where to build settlements and plant crops, how to protect lives and livestock, and how to survive during a natural disaster are just some necessary areas where the government can provide support by linking experts to the citizenry. Full stop. The changing climate requires a bottom up approach to adaptation if we want to survive. Full stop.